Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. Of course I'm Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. We're going to dive right in because today we're going to show you how you can make a welcome sign. Today we will be designing a small welcome sign for your front door. It is very attractive, budget friendly, and all you need is a small piece of wood, some stain, paint, and a few suction cups. So try it. I'm going to show you how you can make it for a minuscule amount of the cost. So if you're interested in this DIY, stick around, and as always, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. So I have my granddaughter helping me out with the welcome signs. She's already completed one with chalk, and now she is completing another one. You'll see in the rear we have a welcome sign, and we're doing these for pennies on the dollar. So basically what we've done is we got a 8-foot piece of wood, and we had the representatives at the store to cut them for us. We want a vertical one, and then we're making 2 horizontal signs to go at a different location. And she's starting out by chalking out her lettering. Using the chalk to outline your design is a very efficient way to get the look that you desire. And when she's done, this is going to be the finished product. So we want you all to please stay tuned so that you can see the finished product. We are going to paint them, and she's been a really big help getting these things done. Great job, girl. So here is the finished product for the welcome sign that was created out of the wood. It looks amazing. Now, to keep the welcome sign from flapping back and forward, all we did was added suction cups to the back of the sign. And that is how you do it. You glue the suction cups onto the sign, and then you place them up against the glass door. Now, if you have a wooden door, make sure you use Velcro. The 2-sided Velcro will stick to the surface and to the sign. Using the 2-sided Velcro is ideal for placing this sign on a wooden door. Make sure that you adhere the sticky end of each side of the Velcro to the back of the sign, and then the other sticky side up against the wooden door and any other surface. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.